Alright, it's Tony's turn when he's dumping from the top onto this
He's the man.
big pile of snow. Just give me the thumbs up when you're gonna go, alright?
Yeah, I'll let you know.
Take a breather. Take a on the roof. Guys, sorry, do it! Oh, there's Matt.
Do it! I think I should. I'm letting that pile of snow right there, like where it's like inclined and then it goes down. No, that's right here. Do it.
Alright, Tony.
Tony! Tony! Tony!
Alright, there's Tony jumping straight like a pencil. Like
Yeah.
Did it hurt, guys?
No. Do it!
Okay. This feels
running start.
Huh?
Get a running start. Just do it, don't hesitate. Yeah, don't hesitate, just go.
I'm gonna hesitate.
Go.
Alright.
Just do it.
This is Johnny Knoxville. And,
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
fuck Matt.
Come on, it's so cold. Come on, I'm freezing. Go. Please go. My nose. Jesus, please go. Why do you go like that?
This is Tony, and he's pretty stuck in the snow. Give us a thumbs up, Tony.